Good day, Sir Roberto. I am Midshipman Yonke Soljarbi, and I am a Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, a first-year student. And I live in Isabela, Barangay Kamangkamang. And something interested about me is I have a lot of hobbies that help me to stay productive and creative. And also I aware from my physical health, whether it's exercising, staying active, or maintaining a balanced lifestyle because I believe a physical fitness is important, especially for a maritime profession. And one of my strengths is adaptability because I can adjust quickly to a different situation or environment, which is essential in a career at the sea, where is teamwork, discipline, resilience are needed every day. I choose BSMT because I want to build a strong and stable future, explore opportunities around the world, and challenge myself to grow as a person. I believe maritime field will help me to develop my skills and character needed for a successful career. Also, being a seafarer is my childhood dreams. And that's all. Thank you.